Hi, myself Aarti, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce with Information Technology. So I'm here to take a topic on the technologies that powers fintech. So there are various technologies that covers the fintech. So fintech is built on cutting edge technologies that transform into the traditional financial services into faster, secure, user friendly, and scalable digital experience. So here in this I have taken few technologies that powers the fintech. So these are the technologies that powers the fintech. So the first one we see the blockchain technology. So as we all know, blockchain technology is a decentralized digital leader that ensures that there is transparency, security, and it also enables the cryptocurrency, smart contract, and cross border payments. So here blockchain also has a fintech also used for smart contracts and identify the verification in fintech applications. So next we have artificial intelligence. So here artificial intelligence, it enables the fraud detection, credit scoring, chatbot, and personalized recommendation. So here this is an automated tasks like customer service and investment strategies. So here these technology enhance the decision making automation process and also improve the customers experience. So next we have mobile applications. So here the mobile technology that enable the growth for digital wallets, peer to peer payment applications, and the mobile banking solutions. So it is a transformation of smartphones, the way the people interact with finance. Next, we have big data analytics, where here big data analytics helps the fintech companies to gather and analyze the massive volume of data to make the informed decisions. So, used for customer profiling, risk assessment, and the market prediction. So here the best example for it is leaders using alternative data to evaluate the loan eligibility. So here the big data is also used by companies for big data analytics. So next we have cloud computing. So here it provides on demand computing resources and data storage. So here it ensures the scalability, flexibility, and cost efficiency for fintech platforms. So this application cloud computing is based on the solutions that it is providing for the significant infrastructure investments. Then we have application programming interface, that is APIs. So here this is connected between the banks with the third party fintech application securely. So it enables the open banking, allowing customers to access multiple services on one app. So for example, if you take the UPI applications like phone pay or Google Pay, that is integrated with the mobile APIs. So here the next we have cyber security. So here cyber security technologies includes firewalls, encryptions, multiple factors, and threat detection systems. So it provides the fintech system and customers data from cyber threats. So here we use example the cards details for secure digital payments. So next we have RegTech. So here regulatory technology that it has also helped the fintech companies to have the financial regulation efficiency, and these solutions have a automated compliance processes, reducing the cost and complexity for regulatory technologies. So here we have robotic process automation. So this, it is an automated banking process such as data entry, KYC verification, and report generation. So example, the bank automatically backend operations like customer onboarding. So this is the example of robotic process automation. Then we have quantum computing. So here, while still in the early stage, this type of computing holds the potential for financial modeling, risk assessment, and for solving the complex problem at the speed where were previously unimaginable. So here this are the technologies that powers fintechs. So fintech is powered by combination of emerging technologies that make financial services smarter, safer and more accessible. So their integration continues to reshape the financial futures of finance, offering innovations, speeds and convenience to user around the world. Thank you.